MiniBeans, I met Forrester Frump, a feisty funny frog who loved to jump, jump, jump. He would jump all over, go up and down, making people dizzy and making people frown. Forrester was always hiding here and there, giving anyone passing a little scare. Now Forrester Flump was the cheekiest little frog, jumping everywhere on stone, tree and log. When someone passed by, he jumped with all his might onto their shoulder, just out of sight. He jumped too hard one day, and then instead, he landed straight on a passing man's head. A funny sound it was when Forrester Frump went pat. Forrester didn't try it again, certainly not after that. Beans, small beans, mini beans at the sailing club, coffee and cake, a real community hub. Books and toys, so much to do at this special place. Sit outside or inside if raining be the case. With twinkling lights and pool to play, rain won't matter much. And tasty cakes and toasties and ice cream and such. Have an iced latte, a milkshake or tasty pop. If I rated this cafe, it would be at the top. Dogs are always welcome, so bring your fairy pup. I'll be bringing Hangus and his very special cup. Hangus, it's time to go. I'm sorry, we can't take that with us. No, Hangus, leave it here. Hangus? Nope.